স্টেডিয়ামে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে সাম্মানিক ডিলিট দিল জাপানের একটি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। দেখুন।
Japan also, there are so many sweet things. You are very sweet and cute. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for coming over here. I know some people may not like it, but please forget that I am a chief minister. But I continue my life as a commoner. I love to continue my life not as a VIP but as a LIP, means less important persons. That is our life, and that will continue up to my last breath. And always I feel proud that I born and brought up in Bengal. I salute this land. I salute the people of Bengal. I salute the teachers, professors, bassists, chancellors, educationists, doctors, farmers, workers, my beloved students, and all. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Joy Bangla.
মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে আমাদের
Thanks a lot.
কৃতজ্ঞতা ধন্যবাদ। I will now